Welcome to DNA Birding Adventures. We headed from Madera Canyon over to Box Canyon to try to find the five-striped sparrow. We only heard it, but we did find a whole bunch of other birds as well. We'll play Name That Bird at the end of this video. From Madera Canyon Road, you head east until you get onto a dirt road. Leaving Madera Canyon, we're heading to Box Canyon, which is just on the other side of that ridge. The ocotillo and creosote foliage was perfect for chipping sparrows everywhere. We also spotted the merlin and a few woodpeckers. This is Box Canyon. Pretty bumpy. It's like a little ravine.
Bunch of cows.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Hello there, big guy. Is this your ranch? Heading up Box Canyon. Looking for the five-striped sparrow. We've already seen a merlin, chipping sparrows, ladderback woodpecker,
Merlin,
and a merlin. This is the entrance to Box Canyon. We've already seen so many different birds here. Says phoebe, there's a cardinal, ladderback woodpecker. And this side, this looks into what? Oh, and the goldfinch. This is beautiful. Box Canyon. We're at the top of Box Canyon. Just love this foliage and the rocks. Going over there. Yeah. Dry waterfall. It goes right across the road. The most prevalent birds we saw on our drive through Box Canyon were the cactus wrens and the curve-billed thrashers. But we saw a total of 24 birds in this area. Here are a few of the birds that we saw if you want to play Name That Bird. Okay, it's time for Name That Bird. Here's the call. Sound familiar? Wait. There it is again. Says Phoebe. Here's the next one. This was a life bird for us. Here's the call. Here's the next one. Name that bird. Here's the call. Here's the next one. Name that bird. Here's the call. You got this. Wait. Counts in solitaire. Can you name this bird? Here's the call. It's a northern cardinal. We also saw the Perulexia. Just a few more. Can you name that bird? Here's the call. You got this. Cannon towing. Name that bird. This one's a common one. Wait. Ostrich. Here's another one. Can you name that bird? There's the call. It's a Lincoln sparrow. We thought it was a rufous winged sparrow at first. Can you name this bird? It's the cutest bird ever. Here's the call. They were everywhere. That's a verdin. Well, we were very successful at Box Canyon. These are all the birds that we saw just in one afternoon. And we have now a total of 85 species in just 4 days, 23 live birds total. Box Canyon is a must-see for birders. It's beautiful too. Just don't go in there when it's raining. There's a lot of washes. Until next time, thank you so much for watching and happy trails to you.